subscribe to my channel. Want to turn images into a powerful content using AI, even with free tools like ChatGPT? In this video, I will show you a quick and simple way to transform image text into a detailed AI-generated content. You will learn how to bypass the limitations of free AI tools and still create an amazing content. Whether you are a content creator, writer, or just an AI enthusiast, this tip will streamline your workflow. If this sounds help you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more content creation hacks and AI tips. Now over to the practical example with the help of ChatGPT. Now I will try to paste one screenshot on ChatGPT and see what will the result. I am telling ChatGPT to create a write-up on a screenshot. See the result. I am trying to paste one screenshot on the ChatGPT. Could you please write about this screen? I am asking ChatGPT to write something about this screen. Now the result will be like that. Unable to upload image.png. Now we will search for a tool who can transform image into a text. So go to the Google and search for image to text. You will find n numbers of tools. Select any of them. And so I have selected this one, image to text. Now upload the screenshot here. I will upload the screenshot, JPEG or a PNG, whatever it is. Already I made one screenshot and kept in the one file. Now I am trying to open. Just wait. Here the screenshot which I kept in one file. Now it will converted into the text. Just wait few seconds. You will see the result. Just be here for a few seconds. I am searching my actual file. So I don't know where I kept. Now I able to upload the desired screen. Now I am trying to convert into the text. Need to click on the verify. You are a human. I didn't click on that. That's why it is giving a problem. I need to click on the verify. You are a human. Captcha. Now it started converted into text format. Now you see the output. Just you need to copy the entire output and paste to the your chat GPT area. It will act like as a image file only. Your result will be an image file only. So only we have converted into the text, and I'm going to the ChatGPT and pasting this outcome in form of a text just we have created. Same thing I will write that could you please write something about this screen. See the result. It will definitely help you to write your content. Suppose you are having the many images and you want to write some AI content or a content, you want to create a content, so you can take the help of ChatGPT and other AI tool to do this activity. See the result. Already I have pasted. Now you see the entire output of this screenshot, and a ChatGPT giving the good content which you can some modify and do your activities. And please follow my previous AI video. From that you can bypass this entire AI generated text also, so nobody can detect that whether you have completed this task with the help of AI. So you see the screen and see the attribute of this output, and it is more or less same. So definitely it will help you in your AI content creation. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.